Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we have an exciting video for you as we dive into the world of cutting-edge mobile technology. In this episode, we'll be exploring the highly anticipated release of the Google Pixel 7. Get ready to witness the future unfold. Ladies and gentlemen, meet the Google Pixel 7, the pinnacle of innovation and functionality. This latest flagship from Google is packed with features that will revolutionize your smartphone experience. Let's take a closer look. The Google Pixel 7 is crafted with precision and attention to detail, featuring a sleek design that seamlessly merges form and function. Its stunning edge-to-edge display stretches 6.5 inches, providing a vibrant and immersive viewing experience. The device's aluminum frame ensures durability while maintaining a lightweight profile. The Pixel 7's display utilizes cutting-edge OLED technology, boasting an astonishing resolution of 32 by 1440 pixels. With HDR10 Plus support, you can expect unparalleled color accuracy, contrast, and sharpness, making every image and video come to life. Now, let's talk about the Pixel 7's camera capabilities. Equipped with an advanced triple lens setup, this phone takes mobile photography to new heights. The primary 64-megapixel sensor captures stunningly detailed shots, even in low-light conditions. The ultra-wide-angle lens expands your field of view, perfect for capturing breathtaking landscapes. And finally, the telephoto lens allows you to zoom in without compromising on quality. But it doesn't end there. Google's computational photography algorithms are at work, enhancing your photos with features like night sight, which brings out details in the darkest of scenes, and super res zoom, allowing you to zoom in with incredible clarity. Powering the Google Pixel 7 is the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 series chipset, delivering lightning-fast performance and efficiency. With an upgraded neural processing unit, the Pixel 7 can handle AI tasks with ease, ensuring smoother multitasking and improved overall performance. You'll also enjoy a substantial boost in battery life thanks to the Pixel 7's 5 mAh battery, coupled with intelligent power management features. Say goodbye to frequent charging. As expected from Google, the Pixel 7 comes with the latest Android operating system, providing a clean and intuitive user experience. Plus, you'll be among the first to receive software updates and security patches, ensuring your device stays up to date and protected. The Pixel 7 supports 5G connectivity, allowing you to experience blazing fast internet speeds and seamless streaming. It also features an improved in-display fingerprint sensor, ensuring convenient and secure access to your device. And there you have it, folks, the Google Pixel 7, an extraordinary device that pushes the boundaries of what a smartphone can do. From its stunning display and powerful camera system to its top-of-the-line performance and innovative features, the Pixel 7 is set to redefine your mobile experience. We hope you enjoyed this sneak peek into the future of mobile technology. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with the latest tech news and reviews. Until next time, this is Arindam, signing off.